Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to my grammar series. This is part number 8. I will discuss 5 important rules here from question number 36 to question number 40. So, this is very important. We'll move forward to question number 36. This machine looks good but is very badly designed and do not work well. Read the question once again. Try to find where is the error. I will tell you the rules along with the correct sentence. This machine is the subject. Looks is the verb. This machine is the singular verb. Sorry, this machine is the singular subject and looks is the singular verb. So this part is correct. This machine looks good. This part is correct. But is the conjunction. Do you remember this one? But is the conjunction. So after conjunction, what is the verb? Verb is is. What is the subject of is? Subject is the same, this machine. Do you remember this one? This machine looks good but is very badly designed. So what is badly designed? This machine badly designed and do not work well. Who do not work well? This machine. So this machine is the singular subject. The reason why singular verb must be used here, do is the plural verb. It must be does. It must be does. So what is the rule exactly? And is the conjunction. But is the conjunction. The rule is after conjunction, if you get a verb, just you ask that verb, what is your subject? That particular verb will tell you the subject is there from the beginning of the sentence or beginning of the previous clause. Do you remember this rule? Verb after conjunction agrees with the subject which has been placed from the previous clause. Do you remember this one? This is very, very important. And now I will tell you the rules. Please write down the rule. A verb after conjunction must agree with the subject placed from the beginning of the previous clause. So please check this sentence. This machine looks good. This is the clause number 1. So subject is machine. But is the conjunction. So second clause starts here. The subordinate clause starts here. But is very badly designed. So what is badly designed? This machine. This machine is the subject. And the verb is. Second. Next clause. And do not work well. What do not work well? This machine. So this machine is the singular subject as I told you. And the singular verb is used. Looks and is. So it will be does not work well. I hope you clear. And you please write down this rule. So question number 36 and the rule number 36 is clear. We will move forward to next question. Question number 37. I know to dance well. Friends, this is very important. If you know the rule of no, then you can solve this question. If you do not know the rule of the word no, do remember this is very, very important. No is the word, it has 4 rules. Could you imagine that? Only the word no has 4 rules. In English, you have to be mastered. You make all the rules, write all the rules, revise all the rules. All right, we'll move forward. So what is the rule? We will check. I'll get back to you. Do remember, no is the word. If you find the word no, just a moment, just I'm writing it. If you find the word no, after that, after no, just you check it. If you find 2 plus verb 1, that is infinitive, in between, means after no, before this infinitive, you have to use the word how. So how will be used here. I know how to dance well. So what is the rule? I'm just telling you once again. If you find the word no, after no, if you find 2 plus v1, that is infinitive, use how before it. So before infinitive, after no. So this is the rule, just I'm telling you. Use of no. Just you check. No plus how plus 2 plus present form of the verb, that is infinitive, as I told you before. The word no takes how after it if it will be followed by an infinitive. Infinitive means 2 plus v1. Check this rule. So the word no in the passive sentences takes as after it. For example, this is known as, so we definitely, especially in the case of definitions, we use this one. This is known as, this is known as XYZ, whatever it is. So in the passive sentence, if you are making, you are using in the passive, please use as after no. So this was all about the rule no. We'll get back to the question right now. So I know, no is the word we are talking about. So 2 plus dance, 2 plus V1 is there. In between, here exactly we have to use the word how. I think this rule is clear. We will move forward to the next rule. Question number 38. A little water is there in the glass, which is not enough to drink. Very, very important. A little water is there. If you know the rule of little, then you can solve this question. What is the rule? The word little is used before uncountable noun. Remember this one. Second rule. The word little is used before singular noun. It takes singular verb. Little is used for negative sentences, whereas a little is used for positive sentences. These are the rules. Please make a note of it. Then we'll get back to the question. A little water. So a little will be used in a positive sentences. Just I told you. Little will be used in a negative sentence. A little will be used in a positive sentence. So a little is used here. This sentence must be positive, but this sentence is not positive. This is negative sentence. A little water is there in the glass, which is not enough to drink. Means the sentence is negative. Instead of a little, we have to use only little. So I hope this rule is clear, and I will show you the rules. Please write down. The fourth rule is applied in this question. Little is used for negative sentences, whereas a little is used for positive sentences. Friends, we will move forward to the next question, question number 39. Before that, just I want to show this one. This is the structure of little. Please write down. Little plus singular uncountable noun. All the uncountable nouns are singular. Definitely I have written it. Little plus uncountable singular plus singular verb in the negative sentences. A little plus singular uncountable noun plus singular verb in a positive sentence. So what is the difference between two? Little negative, a little positive. I hope it is clear. We will move forward to question number 39. Unless you do not take care of your health, you will suffer. Friends, very, very important. And I told you, never use double negatives in a sentence, in a simple sentence, or in a particular clause. I hope you know clause and simple sentences. If you do not know, go for the fundamental training. Then you can understand each and everything. All right. So we'll move forward. Unless you do not take care of your health. This is the first clause. You will suffer is the second one. Unless you do not. Unless, the word unless is a negative word. Not is a negative word. So this is double negative. So we have to remove not. Unless you do take care would be the sentence, and you know that do plus V1 will be same. V1. V1 means present form of the verb. So do and take combined, we can use take only. Unless you take care of your health, you will suffer. Okay. So do plus go is equal to go. I do go there. I go there. Same. Okay. All right. So I hope it is clear. You understood it clearly. We'll move forward to the next rule, and I'll show you the rules first of all. Double negatives must be used or must not be used in a simple sentence or a clause. Friends, we'll move forward to the next question, that is 40. The Reserve Bank of India, the RBI, has announced to conduct a departmental survey. I'm so sorry, it is department survey. The RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, has announced to conduct a department survey. This is very, very important. I know that 99% of the students must not have known this rule. So, the Reserve Bank of India has announced to conduct a department survey. Do remember always, In a particular noun phrase, this is the noun phrase actually. What is the noun phrase? Let me tell you. A department survey. A is the determiner. Department is the noun. Department is the noun. Survey is also a noun. So DNN, DNN, determiner, noun, noun. No, this is wrong actually. If you get a noun phrase like this, a departmental examination or departmental survey, it must be. Okay, fine. I will repeat once again to make you clear. First of all, the Reserve Bank of India, the RBI. So this person is right. This person is right. The Reserve Bank of India, okay, has announced the VARF agreement is right. To conduct 2 plus V1, it is right. So now a department survey means A is the determiner, department is the noun, survey is the noun. This is the noun phrase. If you know the noun phrase, if you know the construction of noun phrase, then you can make the sentence correct. If you are getting 3 words in a noun phrase, what exactly you have to do? I'm showing you the rule. This is the noun phrase 1. There are lots of noun phrases and I teach everything in my fundamental training. What is noun phrase? How exactly the construction of noun phrase and all. So I'm telling you the simple thing. This is the table number 1 or noun phrase number 1 only. If you are getting 2 words, determiner, noun. For example, a bag. A is the determiner, bag, B-A-G, bag is the noun. So determiner plus noun will be the noun phrase. If you are getting 3 words, first of all determiner, then adjective, then noun. Determiner plus adjective plus noun it should be. D means determiner, A means adjective. In a noun phrase, we can use 6 adjectives. Determiner plus 6 adjectives plus noun. Okay, so these are the fundamental things. In a next video or other, I will definitely discuss this one. But yes, I wanted to tell you the rules first of all. So what is the rule? Do remember, the rule is determiner A is the determiner, department is the noun. Instead of department, we must use departmental. Why departmental? Because it must be adjective. Why? Because A is the determiner, this is the noun, survey is the noun. Between determiner and noun, we must use adjective. Do remember this rule. Between determiner and noun, use adjective for noun phrase. I have written it here. Number 3. Look at the number 3. Determiner plus adjective plus noun. So this will be the rule. All right, friends. Thank you so much. I did not tell you details of noun phrase. I teach you that when fundamental trainings. All right. So in some other videos, I will take care of noun phrases only. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless you. Take care of your studies. So this is the question for you. These are the questions for you. Just you comment me the answer. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless you.